The Igbo people had a genderless supreme creator, a personal divine spark in every human being, and an earth goddess who was the ultimate moral authority. They had bronze casting technology in the 9th century so advanced that Western archaeologists assumed there had to be European contact. There wasn't. They had a kingdom, the kingdom of Mri, that ruled for 1,000 years without an army, through spiritual authority alone. And they had a sanctuary for escaped slaves. They had the Mbari houses, temples of extraordinary art, built over 2 years by an entire community dedicated to the earth goddess, and then intentionally left to dissolve back into the ground. Art created as a pure act of offering. And then colonizers arrived. And here's what they did. They destroyed the sacred sites. They ran the slave trade alongside the missionary work. They took the children to mission schools and cut them off from their elders. They banned the drums. They made the ceremonies criminal. They told the people their ancestors were in hell. And eventually, the parents stopped teaching. Not because they were forced to, because they believed it. That is how deep the conditioning went. 3 generations. That is all it took to dismantle 8,000 years. Your ancestors didn't need saving. They had God in their own language, on their own terms, in a tradition that was ancient and complete before anyone arrived on their shore. Now you know. Full 30-minute deep dive coming to YouTube. Know your history.